Hi, Carter from Lang Originals. Today we're going to do a quick instructional video on how to install the lifting bracket for the painted top for the Ford Bronco 2-door and 4-door. So really the only difference will be is that instead of attaching the bracket on the molded and color top, the MIC top, which uses this snap D-ring, you're going to be using this fastener at the top, which is a 3/8 inch bolt, and we are going to supply you this turret head 3/8 inch set screw, and it's going to attach that way instead of with the D-ring. All right, out here on the Bronco, real quick. So the shortened bracket here, and you'll notice that this is not a painted top, but it'll work the same in concept. So I've got this side already attached into its bracket right here. So what I'm going to do is just put this on, and then as it goes in, I'm just going to make sure it slides into the slot and then tighten that down, and then you're ready to lift. And when you want to take the top off again, you just do that in reverse. So you'll only need to undo one side, pull it off, lift your lifting frame off of there, and then tighten it back up, and then the other side will come off as well. So fairly simple, easy to use. Really, you only have to undo one side in order to be able to lift and to put your top back on. Thanks for watching. As always, if you have further questions or anything we can help you with, customer service at langoriginals.com is our email address. You can send us pictures there or ask us any questions. We usually get back within 24 hours or sooner. Or our telephone number, 801-262-7322. Thanks again for watching.